Do you know, friends, that we are all operating from the emotion of fear all the time? And most of these fears are in our energy bodies in the form of traumas or the memories which have triggered it somewhere. Flight to Freedom is a very powerful session of 3 to 4 hours, releasing you from the traumas of fears and which are in your beliefs. Often we do not even know what is stopping us from going forward. There are blocks, there are hurdles deeply embedded in our belief systems. Flight to Freedom helps you analyze your blocks, helps you identify them, and then release them. Let's move forward from the feeling of fear to the feeling of faith and to the energy of the universe that helps us move forward. So Flight to Freedom is a powerful program, must for any organization or a person. Thank you.